Wait.
are.
Okay, now it's gone.
Okay, we are back with our bird nest challenge, and Myles and Mr. Jordan just used sticks. So let's see how our bird's nests hold up. Ready, Myles? Okay, here's Myles. It's on the ground. Go ahead and put your egg in it. Oh, it looks like the egg does well. Nice job, Myles. Here. All right, here's Mr. Jordan's nest. Look up close. And Myles will put the egg in. Ooh.
She's carrying it. Cheater.
It protects it. Very good with that STEM challenge. Did you guys make any bird's nests out there? If you did, send them to your teacher. We'd love to see them.
You will get a prize.
Oh, you get a seashell. All right. Bye, guys.
10.
Okay. Okay, that egg's no good. It's cracked.
Yes, I can smash it. Can I smash it? No.
No.
Why?
No.
Okay,
Okay, let's get the stuff in bed. I'm cold.